1% is an interesting thing. A lot of people say, I want to live a life of freedom. I want to go do X. I want to do this, but they're not willing to pay the price that it's going to demand to get to that 1%. What is that price? Developing an amazing attitude. Not letting the outside disturb you. Believing in yourself, because no one's going to believe in you until you believe in you. And it's going to come into action. Act, act, act. I want you to burn that so significantly in your mind, and you're going to see your thinking just absolutely catapult. You're going to see your environment change. You're going to see your circumstances change significantly. And you're going to see how damn good you feel about yourself. And at the same time, you're building your standard. You're going to have a new standard and a new standard, and your standard's going to keep elevating over and over and over again. Don't cheat on yourself by settling. Don't play small. Take the actions and watch what happens.